Hello students, last presentation we had discussed on plasma arc machining PAM. Today we will discuss on abrasive jet machining. In abrasive jet machining we cover the introduction, principle of operation, element of abrasive jet machining, advantages of abrasive jet machining, disadvantages of abrasive jet machining, and application of abrasive jet machining. Introduction. Abrasive jet machining is one of the advanced machining process where a high velocity jet of abrasive is utilized to remove material from work surface by impact erosion. The abrasive jet is obtained by accelerating fine abrasive particle in highly pressurized gas. A nozzle is used to convert this pressure energy into kinetic energy and also to direct the jet towards work surface at particular angle. Upon impact, hard abrasive particles gradually remove material by erosion and sometimes assisted by brittle fracture. Principle of operation abrasive jet machining. Abrasive particles are filled from the hopper into the mixing chamber. High pressure air or gas under a pressure is supplied to the mixing chamber containing the abrasive powder. The high pressure air or gas enters the abrasive particle and this mixture emerges from a small nozzle at high velocity. This stream of abrasive particle bombards the workpiece at nearly the speed of sound and cuts the material. The abrasive stream is directed to the workpiece located by a nozzle which may be manually positioned or mounted in a specially designed fixture for automatic operation. Since the abrasive particles are very small, material remove rate is very slow. The abrasive powder field rate is controlled by the amplitude of vibration of the mixer chamber. The pressure regulator controls the gas flow and pressure. Elements of abrasive jet machining. There are three elements of abrasive jet machining. First, nozzle. Second, abrasive. Third, carrier gas. First, nozzle. Since abrasive particles are directed onto the work surface through the nozzle must be highly resistant to abrasive are made up of tungsten carbide. Tungsten carbide nozzle are used for circular cross section in the range of 0.12 to 0.8 mm diameter. For rectangular section of size 0.08 into 0.5 to 0.18 into 3.8 mm and for square section of size up to 0.7 mm. Tungsten carbide nozzle have an average life of 8 to 12 hours. Second, abrasive. Aluminum oxide is generally purpose abrasive and is used in a nominal diameter of 10 or 27 and 50 micron. Silicon carbide is used in 25 and 50 micron size for faster cutting on extremely hard material. Specially processed sodium bicarbonate is used for extra fine cleaning as on critical parts. Third, carrier gas. Air, nitrogen or carbon dioxide is generally used as a carrier gas. Oxygen is never used as a carrier gas. Air must be filtered to remove water and oil. Commercially filled cylinder gas are usually satisfactory. The pressure required is in the region of 2 to 8.5 kg per centimeter square, but ordinary is about 5 kg per centimeter square. High pressure results in rapid nozzle wear. Low pressure gives slow removal rate. Advantages of abrasive jet machining: suitable for removal of deposits on surface. Wide range of surface finish can be obtained. Process is independent of electrical or thermal properties. No thermal damage of workpiece. Suitable for non-conductive brittle material. Low capital investment. Disadvantages of abrasive jet machining: not suitable for soft and ductile materials. Abrasive are not reusable. Abrasive collection and disposal are problematic. Inaccurate cutting and drilling. Limited nozzle life and relatively poor machining accuracy. Application of abrasive jet machining: cutting slot and thin section, countering and drilling operation, producing intricate hole shapes in a hard and brittle material, cleaning and polishing the plastic, nylon and Teflon components, frosting of the interior surface of the glass tube, etching of making of glass cylinder, machining superalloy and refractory material. Thank you.